posachedwa pa tikupasirani mmene zilili lero ku Mount Sochi pamene chipani cha UTM chikupanga press briefing makamaka kufotokozapo zokhuza za chipanichi komanso kufotokoza tsiku limene atapange convention, ndipo Felix Njawala amene ali mneneri wa chipanichi ndi amene wafotokoza atapasidwa mpata kuti ayankhule makamaka kalata imene a UTM ali nayo kuti awaziwise mtundu wa Malawi lero, ndipo afotokoza komanso atchula siku limene chipanichi chikhale chikupangisa convention. Taonerani zimene Felix Njawala mneneri wa UTM wafotokoza
Okay. All right, thank you very much. We just received Director of Women, National Director of Women, Honorable Makuta. Welcome. So we will proceed in this manner. I'll read the statement. Then the other part will be dealt with by National Director of Youth. Then I will hand over to the Secretary General to clarify a few issues that may need clarification. We'll read the statement in English, but I will also translate it so that our Chichewa listeners can also be with us and understand exactly what we are trying to communicate. So at this point in time, allow me to read the statement. Ladies and gentlemen, members of the press, we have also seen supporters of the party from Blantyre and other parts of the southern region. It is with great pride and determination that we come before you today. At our recent meeting that was held at the Vice President's residence in Area 12, we made significant decisions that will shape the future of our party and our beloved nation. In addition to the many crucial issues we discussed, one of the key topics was the scheduling of our party convention. This morning, we are excited to announce that after much anticipation from our members and all Malawians, the committee, which was chaired by the Vice President, agreed to hold the convention on 17th November 2024. The theme for our convention is SKC's Legacy Beyond 2025, Building a Future of Fairness, Equality, and Transformation. This theme encapsulates our unwavering commitment to continue the mission of our late leader, Dr. Salos Klaus Chilima, whose vision for a united, fair, and prosperous Malawi is more alive than ever. Dr. Chilima's legacy is not merely a memory. It is a seed that was planted at his passing, a seed that is now germinating, demanding our collective efforts to nurture it, water it, and ensure it flourishes into a vision realized. We call on every aspiring leader within our party to step forward and begin campaigning. Now is the time to rise, to speak your truth, and to share your vision for our party and our nation. We believe in the power of democracy and the strength of a fair competition. Every candidate deserves the opportunity to present their ideas, and plans for our future. To our supporters, we ask for your full support in this democratic process. Ensuring that all voices from across our great nation are heard and valued. We are a party of unity, inclusivity, and representation. Our strength lies in our diversity, and we are committed to building a Malawi where everyone, regardless of their region or tribe, feels a sense of belonging and purpose. When campaign period is opened, we urge everyone to uphold the principles of respect, fairness, and unity. Let us refrain from using offensive language or making personal attacks, especially on social media. This is the time for maturity, for constructive dialogue, and for uplifting each other as we work towards our shared goals. Let us learn from the mistakes of others and strive to maintain a high standard of conduct that reflects the values of our party. In the spirit of unity and progress, we remember the powerful words of Dr. Saulos Klaus Chilima, and I quote, "True leadership is not about holding power, but about empowering others. Together we can build a nation where every voice is heard and every dream is possible." End of quote. These words are not just a reminder of what we stand for, but a call to action for each one of us to embody the spirit of true leadership. As we prepare for our convention and future beyond, let us carry this message forward with unwavering determination and commitment. We encourage all Malawians, especially our youth and women, to step up and participate in our convention. This is a movement for those who believe in the power of change, who are willing to stand up and be counted. If you have ever dreamed of making a difference, now is your chance. Whether you run for a position within the party or contribute in other ways, your voice and actions are crucial to our success. This is your moment to lead, to inspire, and to be part of something bigger than yourself. As we prepare for the convention, we encourage all who are interested in running for councillorship or as members of parliament to start campaigning in their wards and constituencies. This is not just about winning elections. It is about honoring the vision of our late leader, Dr. Saulos Klaus Chilima, and building a future that reflects his legacy. Dr. Chilima left us with a mission and a vision, a seed that he planted at his death. This seed is now sprouting, but it needs our collective efforts to grow. It needs us to water the soil, to care for it, to ensure it thrives and bears the fruit of fairness, equality, and transformation. We must remember Dr. Chilima's motto, Osawopa, Osatopa, Osafooka, meaning do not fear, do not tire, do not falter. This is a call for courage, resilience, and unwavering commitment to the cause. We cannot fulfill this vision if we do not participate in the process. Participation means more than running for office. It means getting involved at every level. The convention committee will soon release the details regarding nomination fees and provide a comprehensive list of the positions of competition. We encourage all aspiring leaders to stay informed and prepare to participate actively in the shaping of our party.
Convention yawo afotokoza kuti UTM ikhale ikupangisa convention chaka chomwe chino pa 17 November ndi pamene pakhale pakusachitika convention ya chipani chimenechi cha UTM, ndipo malo ake sananene bwinobwino. Mukhale pompo pamene tikupasireni